Today at our workshop, Kia Venga, the owner of the car, complained that the AC system is not working. So what we're gonna do? First of all, we will check the performance of AC system, then we will look where is the problem of it, and hopefully we will solve the problem and we will repair it. Before we will start the repair procedure, it's good to check the performance of AC system working. In our case, we have 23 degrees Celsius, so the conclusion is AC system is not working at all. What is the plan now? We need to look under the hood and find the problem with the AC system. So let's start. As you saw in the previous shot, AC system is not working. What is the next step? We need to check the problem with the AC system. I already connected manometers, and on the low and high side we have 0 bars. What is the conclusion? We don't have refrigerant in the AC system. Most probably we have a leak. So now time for the diagnosis. As you know, on the market we have a lot of methods how to find the leak in the AC system. One of the most popular method is UV dye tracker. I cannot recommend this method because if you will have too much UV dye in the AC system, you can expect that the compressor will be damaged. From my side, I can recommend you the mixture of two gases, hydrogen and nitrogen, and of course dedicated detector for it. So now time to find the leak in this AC system. After a few minutes, the pressure in the AC system dropped down. What is the conclusion? We have a leak in the AC system. Next step, what we're gonna do, before we will use the leak detector, we need to clean the engine compartment with the pressed air. So let's go. As you saw, we already found the leak in the AC system. It's broken condenser, really typical place in the AC system. Now time for the new one. As you can see, we don't have a front bumper now, so we have a better access to the condenser. And now I can show you where we have a leak on this condenser. Have a look, it's in the center place of the condenser. So what we're gonna do? Now we will change the condenser for the new one. As you can see, new condenser already assembled to the car. I added the mixture of hydrogen and nitrogen to the AC system, and after a few hours still we have around 6 bars. What is the conclusion? AC system is without the leak. So almost repair is done. Now it's time for an assembling process for the whole car. Let's start.